Hey, what's up guys? Donnie here, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. When we come back, got the TG 90 degree power bank right after this. Hey, welcome back guys. Hey, today I got this TG 90 degree. This is off of Amazon, so I'll leave a link in the description. This is a power bank that's got 10,000 milliamps of charging power. So the guys at Amazon went and sent this out to me to do a review. So I went ahead and charged it up, and I got some different products. I got the King Kong Tiny 6 with the charger I'm going to charge, and also a cell phone, an iPhone cell phone, and also show you that it can charge other items like the DJI Osmo 2 as well. So alright guys, hey, I'm going to open this up really quick and show you what comes inside the box here. So let's get this thing open. I did open it earlier and I charged it. So let me show you what comes in the box. You got some instructions, so got that. You also got a USB charger for like Android system, and to be able to charge this charger here from your PC or your laptop, or using a power plug for the wall. So like I said, I went ahead and charged this up. It was pretty much almost all the way charged up when I got it. So just want to show you guys, this thing's pretty cool. It's pretty heavy duty. All you'll do is we'll just go and plug in the USB charger here. This one's for the iPhone. So I got the iPhone 5 here. So I'm going to put the lightning cord in there. And then all you have to do is, all the lights just lit up blue on here. It's kind of hard to see, but they're lit up blue, all 4 of them. So that means this thing's fully charged. So right now, as soon as I plugged it in, the Apple phone is starting to charge right now, guys. So it has 2 charge ports on here, so I can actually open up the little whoop here, and if I need to charge up the battery, all I gotta do is just pull the battery out. This one comes with the little USB charger. Plug that in, and I'll plug it straight in there as well, and I can have these 2 going at a charge as well. So now that's lit up green because this battery must be already charged, so this thing's already ready to go. But it can charge on the go. That's what I like about it. When I'm out at the park, you don't have no plug-ins. That way you can charge up a couple little battery packs while you're there, or you can go and charge a big battery pack as well. So works out really nice. Also can, like I said, you can charge up like I got a tablet here. And I do thank my buddy Gino. Gino, thanks for sending this Samsung. This is the Samsung A. This thing's awesome, guys. Awesome tablet. I can't wait to try it on my Mavic Air and my Spark. So I got the apps already downloaded for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the little plug that they provide here. So let me plug this in, and then I'll go ahead and plug in the tablet as well. So right away it's showing a little lightning, so it's telling me that it's actually charging. So that's really nice. You can charge up your devices, guys. Same with like your Android phone. So you can charge your Android phone, you can charge it up as well. So it's showing that it's charging my phone as well right now, guys. I also wanted to show you that you can go and charge up like the Osmo. If I had my Spark here, you'd be able to see my DJI Spark get charged as well. So I'll just plug this one on the side here, and as you can see with the power bank, it is charging. So this thing works out really well, especially on the go. I've been waiting to get this thing because this thing's awesome, guys, because I definitely need that when I'm at the park or on the go. So hey guys, while I was doing the unboxing, I didn't explain, so I paused the unboxing for a second here. I wanted to show a close-up. It has 2 charge ports on here. The first one is 5 volt, and it is 1 amp. And then your second charge port here is 5 volt, and it's 2.1 amp. So you get a little bit more power when you're charging through this port here. So Here's the charge port, and the input to charge is 5 volt and it's 2 amp, so it charges pretty quick, guys. The other good thing about this TG 90 degree is it has a built-in flashlight. So you have a power button here, you just hold that power button and it'll turn the LED light on, which is pretty bright, guys, so works pretty good at night. You just hold it again and it'll shut it right off. Alright guys, this thing's 10,000 milliamps and it charges very well. I charged 2 devices, an Android phone, and I charged the Android tablet when they were only at 20%, and it gave them both full charge, and I still had lights left lit up on here, about a half of a charge or a little more. It was kind of flashing in between, so you can get quite a few charges out of this, guys. So alright, back to the unboxing clip. Charge up some equipment and I'm gonna have some fun at the park with my daughter. I just wanted to show you guys this TG90. This is a short video, so I thank you guys from Amazon for sending this out. I'll go and leave the link in the descriptions, guys. Check them out. This is fairly inexpensive, so it's definitely something that I do carry with me for on the go. You definitely want a power bank, guys. And what's cool is if you're traveling, you can plug it into your car and recharge this, so that way when you get out somewhere, you have something to be able to charge your equipment with. So, alright guys, thanks again, Amazon, for sending this out. The TG 90 degree, guys. Check it out. Like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying, guys.